Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to hide your games from your friends, or maybe just one specific game. So if I go to like my recently played list right here, you can see I have all these different games, and if my friends go to my profile, well, they can see all these games I've been playing too. Well, maybe I want to go ahead and just hide a game so they don't see when I'm playing it or when I have logged out and it's under here. Well, what we can do is go to Settings, scrolling down to Users and Accounts, then going down to Privacy, and then go on over to the right, and then go to View Details and customize your privacy settings right here, right on the top, and scroll on down. We want to go to where it says Your Activity. Under here you can see it says who can see your gaming history. Well, you could set this to friends only or no one. Then no one can see any of your recently played games. But we want to go to where it says hide your games from other players. Hide games so they don't appear on your profile or in your gaming history. So let's select this. And then we can go to each individual game and just hide it under here. So maybe we don't want our friends playing VR2 games like Vegas Infinite, or maybe Battlefield 2042, or maybe even like golf. So if we're playing like single player games and we just want to chill, well, go ahead and just hide your games and you should be good to go. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.